Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can share your PayPal link. Now first things first, we need to know our username. If you don't know how to check your username, I have a separate video. It is going to be added in the pinned comment section. So I have my username right here, so I'm simply going to copy it, and here is your link. So the link looks like this: paypal.me/ and here is where you write your username. So for me that's Nednom, for you it could be AwesomeKing69 or something like that, it doesn't really matter. So here is where you write your username, and yeah, if you try to enter this website, it will actually, I'll show you. So here it is. If I try to enter this website now, as you can see, it sends me to paypal.me, and basically here we can just send money and do whatever we need. So yeah, it was as simple as that. I hope this helped you out. Make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.